There are 16 shades of What the Foundation, including my shade, beige. Today I'm going to walk you through how to find your perfect shade, how to apply it, and I'm going to answer all of your questions. I'm Cheyenne, Senior Manager of Global Artistry and Education here at Jones Road Beauty, and I'm also Bobbi Brown's personal makeup artist. So what is What the Foundation? It's a tinted moisture balm meets traditional foundation. It's gonna give you this skin-like finish and not feel super heavy, but still give you that perfect amount of coverage on your skin. What the Foundation is like no other foundation that you've tried before. It's not gonna be drying or cakey, it's just gonna melt right into your skin. Have you ever tried a foundation that just, when you put it on, it looked like you're wearing a mask? What the Foundation is the opposite of that. It's going to be you, but better, and also still even out your skin tone. If you like a full coverage foundation, What the Foundation might not be the right thing for you. Because What the Foundation has light to medium coverage, you can add the face pencil to cover any little imperfections, like some redness around the nose or a blemish. There are 16 shades of What the Foundation. Today I'm going to walk you through how to find your perfect shade. If you go online and take our quiz, we ask you a lot of great questions to find out what your undertone is and what your skin type is so that you can really find your perfect shade. Whether you're at home or you're in one of our stores, the way to find the perfect shade is you're gonna take a small amount like this, you're gonna swipe it on your cheek, and if it disappears into your skin, that's how you know it's the perfect one. I wear shade beige because I'm in that light to medium skin tone family, and I have neutral undertones, which is a little bit of cool and a little bit of warm. Now, how do you find your own undertone? You're gonna look in the mirror, you're gonna see, do I have cooler undertones? Do I have warmer undertones? Or do I have a little bit of both? And if you have a little bit of both, then you're neutral. And then when you get your foundation, you're just gonna do one swipe on your cheek, and if it disappears, that's perfect. That means you found your perfect shade. So let's talk about application. First, you're gonna start with clean skin. And if you need to, you can stir up your foundation with a spatula, the end of your brush, or if you're in a pinch, you can use a Q-tip. Because What the Foundation is really a two-in-one, you actually don't have to prep your skin. You can just go straight in with What the Foundation, and that's gonna also hydrate you at the same time. So for application, you're gonna use a pea-sized amount, just like the Miracle Balm. A little bit really does go a long way. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take little dots of your foundation and you're gonna put them all around your face, starting on your cheeks, your forehead, and your chin. Then it's time to blend your foundation. Whether you love to use your hands or you like to use your brushes, either way is totally fine. So if you're looking to add a little extra coverage right where you need it, then you can use the face pencil just to cover any like excess redness around your nose, a blemish, or any little imperfections that you think that you have. So let's talk about skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, normal, or combination, you can wear What the Foundation, but I'm gonna give you some tips to make sure that you wear it perfectly. For those who have dry skin, after you put on What the Foundation, and if you feel like you still need a little bit more moisturization, then you can grab one of your moisturizers or one of the Miracle Balms and just spot treat right where you need it. On the other end of the spectrum, if you have more oily skin, always make sure to end your makeup routine with the tinted face powder or your powdered bronzer. And if you're somewhere in the middle, whether you have combination or normal skin, you can do a little bit of both. You can use a little bit of moisturizer or Miracle Balm if you need, but then always you can add the tinted face powder if you want to take down any excess shine and set your makeup. As we age, our skin loses moisture, and What the Foundation does the perfect job of putting that moisture right back into our skin. This product really is for everybody. Growing up, I always did my mom's makeup, I did my friend's makeup, I do Bobbi's makeup, and I also do mine. So I promise you, it really does work for all ages.